Hey guys, so I just want to walk through how simple it is to create your first blog post here in SEO Assist. So the first steps to creating your blog post is logging on and to the dashboard, which is where we are now. Then you're going to go right to our first button here, which is write a new blog post. And from there, you'll see that we give you a quick 4-step process. You may not need all the steps all the time, but this is generally the flow. So say I'm starting with no topics in mind, right? So that's why I'm going to need step 1. So step 1 is to generate some topics. You have a couple of options here of different types of topics you can generate. I'm going to go with the first one just to keep it simple and just answer some of these questions. Everything is Q&A here in SEO Assist. You answer our questions and we give you the content. All right, so I answered the questions, creating affiliate content, affiliate marketers, and a service. So I'm just going to hit submit. All right, and from those quick answers I gave it gave me now 10 topics, including some keywords and any additional information that I may need. So I'm just going to choose one of the topics, and that's what we're going to use to make our next blog post, right? So this one's perfect because I know we've got a thing for this, so top 5 affiliate content creation services for busy marketers. Well, actually, because I told I had a service-based business, I want it to be for something else. So here's a good one. Maximizing your affiliate earnings with professional content writing services. And I'm going to change that to softwares because I'm doing this for my software. So once we've done that, I'm going to go right back into write a new blog post here. And now I'm going to go into step 2, which is blog post type, and choose a type. So it's based on the one that I already picked. I'm going to use the 5 ways. And similar to everything else, I'm just going to answer some questions and get the content from there. So you see here, I just went through and answered the questions. I used the exact title I got from that topic list. And because I'm doing this for the software, I kind of just put a title here. You'll see some of the questions are the same. That's because you can use these flows with or without doing those topics first. So once again, it asks me who's my audience. And in this case, I'm going to recommend whatever. I'm going to let the system recommend, and I put in my call to action down here. So you see here, it gave me my full blog post, including the title, and my call to action is down here. And then also some other suggestions on other things I can do with this post. Normally, I would take this and put this in notes and kind of zhuzh it up a little bit the way I want to. But for today, we're just going to go right from this is our blog post. And now I want to go back into writing a new blog post. Some of our flows give you the metadata. That's why this is only if needed. This is if you either are using a post that did not start from here in SEO Assist, or if it's one of the flows that don't give you all the metadata, or you just want different metadata. So I'm going to go in here and get metadata from here. And metadata is really easy just by copying the full blog post in. And like I said, I haven't even gone through and cleaned it up the way I normally would have, but it's a good blog post. It's an actual, like the whole blog post here. I just would maybe move some things around, clean up some spacing. And then my audience is still affiliate marketers. So technically I could have just ended and just had my post and been okay with it from there, but it is best to also do your metadata for your post. So I'm going to do that and make sure we've got everything we need. And you see here, now I've got some additional blog post ideas. I've got some meta description suggestions, additional subtopics, image, text, alt tags, all the things that I would need now to put this over on my website. So I got everything I need now to move forward with this particular post that we just wrote. The last step is really something that, again, that I would do after I've already put it up on my site. Now I would go into repurpose my blog into social. So this is not something you need to do immediately, but now I would take this and put it in here. And you'll see I now have all of my social posts, my long captions down here. I've got some TikTok and Reels ideas. So now I have everything I need that I can take this post and start promoting it as well. So that's how easy it is to create an entire blog post in about 5 minutes here in SEO Assist.